Looking for the right vehicle? Check out 2004 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power retractable mirrors, automatic transmission, remote power door locks, skid plate package, cruise control, trip computer, power windows, power steering, tachometer, driver memory seats. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.